ready for an unforgettable RV adventure. We're bringing an exciting opportunity to your doorsteps that will enhance your journey and make your travels more enjoyable. We're here to introduce you to the world of RV membership clubs and discount programs. Just imagine cruising the open road in your RV, heading towards your next exciting rendezvous. Your route is charted, your tank is brimming, and the sense of anticipation is palpable. What's missing is the VIP pass to the road, an RV membership club, or a discount program. They say membership clubs and discount programs can make your RVing more affordable, convenient, and fun. How so? Well, these membership clubs offer extensive benefits that we'll be diving into. You'll learn about cost savings, how to keep your pocket heavy by leveraging exclusive discounts on campgrounds, fuel, and RV supplies, and how to let your money be spent on things that truly matter, like your adventure and those extra toppings on your pizza. Moreover, these clubs confer upon you exclusive perks that can make your journey even better. Have you ever envied those RVers who have the best campsites all to themselves? Or get early access to reservations at the most popular parks? You are next, and it doesn't end there. You also become a part of a warm and welcoming community of fellow RVers who share not just the same interests, but also tips, experiences, and make lifelong friendships. So, whether you're an experienced RVer or just beginning your journey, consider adding an RV membership club or discount program to your toolkit today. Stay tuned as we reveal the top membership clubs and discount programs that will take your RVing experience to the next level. First on our list is the Good Sam Club. This club is one of the most well-known RV clubs in North America. Now, when it comes to the Good Sam Club, it's all about the perks. This club is like the Swiss Army knife of RV clubs. It's got something for everyone, and it's designed to make your RVing life easier, more affordable, and a whole lot more fun. One of the standout features of the Good Sam Club is the impressive range of discounts. Picture this: you're on the road, the wind in your hair, your favorite tunes playing, and then you see it, a gas station. But not just any gas station. This one offers Good Sam Club members a discount on fuel. Yes, you heard that right. With your membership, you can save at the pump, which is like music to the ears of any RVer. But the savings don't stop at fuel. The Good Sam Club also offers discounts on RV parts and accessories. So, whether you're in need of a new camping chair, a shiny grill for those evening barbecues, or a replacement part for your RV, your Good Sam Club membership has got you covered. And let's not forget about the camping sites. With the Good Sam Club, you can save on over 2,000 campgrounds across North America. So, whether you prefer to park your RV by the beach, in the mountains, or in a bustling city, there's a discounted camping site waiting for you. But the Good Sam Club isn't just about saving money, it's also about being part of a community. As a member, you'll have access to a variety of events and activities where you can connect with fellow RVers, share stories, and make lasting friendships. So, whether you're a seasoned RVer or just starting out, the Good Sam Club offers an array of benefits tailored to your needs. It's like having a helpful friend with you on every journey, making sure you're well-equipped, well-connected, and well-discounted. With a wide range of discounts and benefits, the Good Sam Club is a favorite among many RVers. Next up, we have the Escapees RV Club. This club is perfect for those who are looking for a sense of community on the road. Imagine a club where the open road is your playground, where every member is a friend you haven't met yet. Welcome to the Escapees RV Club, a unique blend of savings, services, and camaraderie. It's not just a discount program, it's a lifestyle. One of the key features of the Escapees RV Club is access to exclusive RV parks. These are not your run-of-the-mill, dime-a-dozen campgrounds. We're talking about well-maintained, full-service parks with a range of amenities to make your stay comfortable and memorable. Imagine pulling up to a tranquil spot, surrounded by nature, with all the conveniences of home just a few steps away. That's the Escapees RV Park experience. But it's not just about places to park your rig. The Escapees RV Club also offers a job exchange program. This innovative feature allows members to trade skills and services, providing an opportunity to earn while you explore. Need your RV's plumbing fixed? There might be a fellow escapee who can help. Are you a whiz with website design? There could be a job for you in the next campground. Education is another cornerstone of the Escapees RV Club. The club hosts regular seminars and webinars on a variety of topics, from RV maintenance to travel planning. It's a great way to learn new skills, keep up with the latest trends, and gain valuable insights from seasoned RVers. But what truly sets the Escapees RV Club apart is the sense of community. It's a network of people who share a love for the open road and a desire to explore. It's about making new friends, sharing experiences, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. The club regularly organizes social events and gatherings, providing a platform for members to connect and bond over their shared passion. The Escapees RV Club is more than just a discount club. It's a community of like-minded adventurers. So if you're looking for more than just a place to park your RV, if you're seeking a community, a lifestyle, the Escapees RV Club could be the perfect fit for you. If you're looking for unique overnight stays, then Harvest Hosts is the club for you. This membership club is a game changer for those seeking off-the-beaten-path experiences. Think of it as your golden ticket to a world of charming wineries, quaint farms, and other unique locations, all waiting to be your home for the night. Harvest Hosts brings a refreshing twist to the RVing lifestyle. It's not just about parking your RV for a night. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, striking up conversations with hosts, and waking up to the sweet lullaby of nature. This club offers a one-of-a-kind opportunity to blend travel, community, and culture into an unforgettable RVing experience. And one of the standout features of Harvest Hosts is the sheer variety of locations available. From vineyards that invite you to sip on their finest wines, to farms that let you greet the sunrise amidst the rustling of leaves, the club offers an eclectic mix of spots. You could find yourself parked next to a museum one night and a golf course the next. Another significant advantage is the cost efficiency. While traditional campsites often come with a sizable fee, Harvest Hosts provides free overnight stays at all its locations. You heard it right, free. All they ask in return is that you support the local businesses by purchasing their products or services. So, not only do you get a unique overnight stay, but you also get to play a small part in boosting the local economy. And let's not forget the simplicity of it all. With an easy-to-use app, you can find and book your next stop with just a few taps on your screen. The process is as smooth as the journey itself. But what truly sets Harvest Hosts apart is the sense of community it fosters. Here, hosts aren't just providers of a parking spot. They're your guides, your friends, ready to share their slice of paradise with you. So, if you're yearning for more than just a place to park, if you're seeking experiences that will turn your RV journey into a story worth telling, then Harvest Hosts is worth a look. Harvest Hosts offers a unique RVing experience that you won't find with any other club. For those who love off-the-beaten-path experiences, Boondockers welcome is a must. This membership club opens up a world of possibilities for the adventurous RV owner, offering a unique spin on the traditional camping experience. It is now part of Harvest Host and offered as a separate ad on. Boondockers Welcome, as the name suggests, is all about boondocking. That's camping without hookups, often in remote or unconventional locations. But with this club, you're not just left to fend for yourself in the wilderness. You're given access to a network of fellow boondockers who open their private properties for free overnight stays. Yes, you heard that right. Free overnight stays. Now, that's a budget-friendly option that's hard to beat. But the perks of boondockers. Welcome don't stop at saving money. One of the best things about Boondockers Welcome is the sense of community it fosters. As a member, you're not just getting a place to park your RV for the night. You're becoming part of a tribe of like-minded travelers, all sharing a love for the open road and the freedom of the RV lifestyle. With Boondockers Welcome, you'll find yourself parking up in places you'd never have found on your own. From vineyards and farms to scenic backyards and tranquil forest clearings, each stay offers a unique experience. You might even find yourself on a property with amenities, like a swimming pool or a hot tub. And with each host offering their own local knowledge, the opportunities for exploration and adventure are endless. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. With a simple online search, you can find available hosts along your route. And with the site's easy-to-use booking system, arranging your stay is a breeze. Boondockers Welcome truly offers a unique, immersive way to experience RVing. It's not just about finding a place to park your RV for the night. It's about connecting with fellow travelers, discovering new places, and creating unforgettable memories. So, for those seeking a taste of the road less traveled, for those looking to stretch their budget, and for those craving a sense of community on their journeys, Boondockers Welcome is the perfect club. Boondockers Welcome is the perfect club for those seeking unique, budget-friendly adventures. Last but certainly not least, we have Passport America. This club offers unbeatable discounts on campsite fees. As we journey through the world of RV membership clubs and discount programs, we find ourselves at the doorstep of Passport America. Now, this is a club that prides itself on delivering more bang for your buck, offering a whopping 50% off on campsite fees at over 1,800 campsites across North America. Passport America truly knows how to make the RVing experience more affordable. But the benefits of Passport America don't stop at half-off campsite fees. No, they go above and beyond to ensure that their members get the most out of their RVing adventures. For instance, members have access to a comprehensive directory that lists all participating campgrounds, complete with details about amenities, services, and restrictions. This means you can plan your trips with confidence, knowing exactly what to expect when you pull up to your campsite. And let's not forget about the flexibility Passport America offers. Unlike some other clubs, there's no limit on the number of times you can use your discount. So whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip, you can reap the benefits of your Passport America membership at every stop along the way. Moreover, Passport America understands the diversity of the RVing community. That's why they've partnered with a wide range of campgrounds to ensure that no matter what kind of camper you are, you'll find a place that feels like home. From rustic boondocking sites to family-friendly resorts, there's something for everyone. And the cherry on top? Well, Passport America membership comes at a surprisingly low annual fee, making it one of the most cost-effective options out there. So if you're looking to stretch your RVing budget, this club is definitely worth checking out. With Passport America, you can save big on your RVing adventures. So, what are you waiting for? Get your passport to a world of savings and start exploring North America in a whole new light. IIT, there you have it, the top membership clubs and discount programs for RVers. So whether you're looking for a club that offers a wide range of discounts, one that provides a sense of community, one that supports local businesses, one that caters to the boondocking lifestyle, or one that offers great savings, there's a club out there for you. Each of these clubs and discount programs offers unique benefits that can enhance your RVing experience, making your journeys more enjoyable, affordable, and memorable. As you consider which one might be the best fit for your RVing lifestyle, remember to weigh the costs and benefits and think about what matters most to you. Remember, the best RV club for you depends on your personal needs and RVing lifestyle. So take your time, do your research, and happy RVing.